Ninth standard, hope is the thing with feathers. English workshop. Match the following. First, hope, bird. Second, gale, storm, toughest times in life. Third, keep warm, provide comfort. Chillest land, difficulties and problems. A crumb, a very small bit. Next, use the proper form of the verb in each line. Hope is the thing with feathers. That dash in the soul. Purchase in the soul. Next, and dash the tune without the words. Sings the tune without the words. And never dash at all. And never stops at all. Next, read the examples and fill the blanks in the same pattern. Example: sweet, sweeter, sweetest. The fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. Low, lower, lowest. Great, greater, greatest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Cold, colder, coldest. Next, examples: strange, stranger, strangest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Next, simple, simpler, simplest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, closest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Next, see examples: pretty, prettier, prettiest. Note the changes in the last letter. Nasty, nastier, nastiest. Hungry, hungrier, hungriest. Angry, angrier, angriest. Naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Next, find the phrases, lines in the poem that mean the following. First, hope is the light, delicate thing. Hope is the thing with the feathers. Next, B. Hope offers comfort to your soul. That purchase in the soul. C. Hope is not a wordy, though it is a more like a feeling, an emotion. Answer: and sings the tune without the words. D. In the most difficult times, hope offers the greatest comfort. Answer: and sweetest in the gale is heard. E. Hope is not easily defeated and never stops at all. F. Hope has given comfort to many people. Answer: that kept so many warm. G. Hope lives on the very hard times even when it gets the nothing from you. Yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. Next, fifth. We can relate the many of our feelings and experiences to events or the things in nature which for feelings and expressions can we relate to the followings: darkness, depression, storms, troubles. Sunrise, new beginnings, a light shower, little joy. Sunshine, hope, earthquake, loss of stability. A rainbow, happiness, dawn, awakening. Dark clouds, problems, dusk evening, almost the end. A peacock, beauty, flood, difficulties. Sixth question, write in a few lines about an experience of your own where you scored in your examination much more than you hoped for. What did that experience teach you? Answer: when I was in 8th standard, I scored much more in my final exams and than I had hoped. I had not expected that I would score the good marks because I wasn't satisfied with my performance. But when the result was out, I was surprised and I realized that I had underestimated my performance. I learned that the one should always keep faith in the one's capabilities and never lose hope. Sometimes the being anxious makes us doubt our own selves. Language study 7. This is the poem examples of personification. When we refer to an inanimate objects, ideas, emotions as a living things, it is an example of personification. Here the hope is portrayed as a little bird described in your own words. Answer: in the poem, hope is the thing with the feathers. Here, hope is portrayed as a living thing, a bird. The poet has assigned the word hope to all the qualities of the bird. For instance, the hope sits in the soul like a bird. It sits on the tree. It sings like a bird and gives the warm feelings as a bird gives to its young ones. The hope bird does not ask anything in return. So, subscribe to get next lessons workshop and press bell icon. Next, find other examples of personification. Answer: examples: time runs and waits for none. I have a cycle that cares. The camera is looking at me. My jacket hugs me in winter. The house has been looking for a tenant.